Good morning, everyone. I have one of these sausage bowls. I bought it from Lidl. It's like a Aldi type of store, but although it's not one of the traditional ways to um, to make this type of meal, I just actually picked it up because it was like $2, huh? And my money is funny sometimes, boys and girls. But I just need to add some tomato and some onion, and then I'm gonna let it cook down really nicely, and then it's gonna be what I'm gonna eat off of for a few hours. And I just want to let you know, I taught myself to cook. So as you see me go through the process of putting meals together, those are done by basically by the flavors that I like to eat. I've been um I've been having a wonderful time with it all. So I don't want you to think you're gonna come here and find a gourmet meal because well, you are. Shay's gourmet meal. Yes, boys and girls. Mm-mm. Yes, you are. I'm loving it. I'm sitting. Coral, I have to say before I go any further, girl, I couldn't get enough of this daggone cabbage, and I'm having lunch this afternoon, and we're having we're having cabbage. That's if I'm hungry because I might be full from these potatoes. I haven't had potatoes in so long. I haven't had potatoes in so long, but I'm moving my home around. My bedroom is now in the back room. You'll see that in another video when my furniture arrives. And I would like to say thank you so much for watching my last video. I didn't I didn't know how to do the whatever that thing is, that picture thing, and my godson asked if he could show me. So now I know how to do it. And when I'm not feeling too tired, I plan on making a few more of them. You probably wonder why I cut my onions down so small. A neighbor of mine is not feeling so well. So from time to time, if I have something, I offer her a meal. She doesn't like onions. So she'll eat them, provided that they're cut down a lot. So I tend to go a little excessive with the onions if I plan on calling her to bestow her some kindness. And I believe in kindness to one's neighbor. So you never know when you fall on hard times. She's not on hard times or anything, but she's not doing well health-wise. That's why one of the things I always do, I keep my surfaces clean. I keep my hands clean. You don't know when you're sharing food, you don't want to give someone a sickness. You know what I mean? And that's why I'm always washing my sockets and everything, because your hand go on those type of surfaces. But as you can tell, my washer is going. This is smelling good already, and I'm gonna put some type of adjustment in there when it comes to the seasoning. So what I'm gonna do now is turn this bad boy up. Just hopefully it doesn't burn the cheese and all that other stuff. And just in case you didn't get a good enough look, it's just one of these. They were like $2, maybe $2.08. So I got two of them. One was for my godson, but he didn't want it. He actually wanted a breakfast sandwich. His mama bought him. So I'm gonna go wash my hand again, and I'll be back. Oh, look at the onions making a little noise over there. Eggs were $8.99 at Lidl yesterday. So that's not bad, but it's $14.99 in some other stores. I've decided that I may pick up a few meals that have eggs in them, to keep me from having to pay for a dozen eggs. I'm not buying a dozen eggs. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna try to pick up tomatoes and some cucumbers and some stuff like that as I go through my my journey of trying to put stuff in this refrigerator. Eggs won't be one of them. I don't need eggs. Not that dang going bad. Not the hell I don't. No, the hell I don't.